Going the distance. Mastering determination in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an inspiring English phrase that's all about perseverance and commitment. Go the distance. Whether you're learning English as a new language or just looking to expand your vocabulary, understanding this phrase can add depth to your conversations. Let's explore what it means to go the distance, how to use it, and see some examples in action. Go the distance is a phrase that originates from the world of sports, especially boxing and racing, where it refers to completing a race or a bout despite difficulties. However, in everyday language, it has a broader meaning. To go the distance means to continue doing something until it is successfully finished, even when it becomes challenging or demanding. It's about not giving up, regardless of obstacles or how long it takes to achieve your goal. Using "go the distance" in conversation can be quite motivational. It's often used to encourage someone to keep striving towards their goal, or to describe someone's dedication to achieving something. Here are a few examples of how you can incorporate it into your speech. In encouragement, "I know your training has been tough, but I believe you can go the distance and finish the marathon." Describing perseverance, "She really went the distance to earn her degree, studying late nights while working a full-time job." In expressing commitment, "We're in a difficult phase of the project, but we're all ready to go the distance to make it successful." Interestingly, "go the distance" has also made its mark in popular culture, especially in movies and songs. For instance, in the animated movie Hercules, there's a famous song titled "Go the Distance," where the protagonist sings about his determination to prove himself and achieve his dreams. This song has become synonymous with pursuing goals with unwavering dedication. Understanding and using the phrase, "go the distance," can be incredibly empowering. It's a reminder of the strength of perseverance and the importance of staying committed to our goals, no matter the challenges we face. We hope this video has inspired you to go the distance in your English learning journey and beyond. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to keep pushing forward, no matter what. See you in the next video.